Most people think of sound as something we simply hear, but the hidden science of vibration suggests something deeper. Sound may not only be heard, it may also be felt by yourselves. Today, most people fill their nervous system with chaotic noise without realizing that a single frequency might help the body shift toward repair. Most people think healing frequencies are just meditation music, soft sounds, relaxing vibrations, maybe something you listen to while sleeping. But what if I told you people are using them completely wrong? And what if one specific frequency, 528 Hz, could actually influence how your brain, hormones, and nervous system respond to stress? So I decided to try something interesting. For 30 days, I replaced my morning news and chaotic podcasts with pure 528 Hz tones. Same time every day, same conditions, no expensive devices. And the results were unexpected. Because most biohackers tell you to buy expensive technology, but nature has a free version. This is the hidden science of sound frequencies, and if you want to fix your energy, you may first need to fix your nervous system's relationship with sound. My recovery markers improved. My reactive stress levels dropped. Today, we're removing the woo-woo from the conversation and looking at the biological reality behind the so-called miracle tone. Is this magic? No, this is resonance. The problem, biological mismatch. Your body evolved in a world full of natural sounds: wind moving through trees, birds singing, water flowing, human voices. But modern life replaced those sounds with something very different: constant notifications, traffic noise, artificial frequencies, compressed digital music blasting through headphones. Your brain never evolved for this environment. This creates something called biological mismatch. Your nervous system expects natural rhythms, but instead it receives chaotic stimulation all day. And when this happens, several things begin to change inside your body. Your cortisol levels remain elevated. Your dopamine system becomes overstimulated. Your brain struggles to enter parasympathetic recovery mode. In simple terms, your body forgets how to relax. Today, your brain is constantly bombarded by the modern music standard A equals 440 Hz, the hum of refrigerators, and the aggressive impact sounds of traffic and machines. This type of industrial noise is dissonant. It keeps your nervous system in a low-level fight-or-flight state. And most biohackers will tell you to buy expensive technology, sound therapy beds, or advanced neurofeedback systems. But nature already built a version of this into the laws of physics. The science and the experiment. Let's look at the biochemistry of resonance. The frequency 528 Hz is often called the love frequency, or the DNA repair tone. Scientifically, it has been associated with potential reductions in oxidative stress. When you are exposed to chaotic noise, your cortisol levels rise. High cortisol contributes to systemic inflammation and increased insulin activity. However, some studies suggest that exposure to 528 Hz may influence the endocrine system and help lower cortisol levels. And when stress decreases, your brain can release dopamine and oxytocin more effectively. Now, let me explain the science in simpler terms. Every biological system in your body vibrates. Cells vibrate. Proteins vibrate. Even your nervous system communicates through electrical oscillations. Your brain itself operates in frequencies: alpha waves, theta waves, gamma waves. Sound can interact with these patterns. Certain frequencies appear to help the nervous system shift from sympathetic stress mode into parasympathetic recovery mode, which means lower cortisol, better dopamine balance, more stable autonomic regulation. So I wanted to see what would happen in real life. So I ran a small personal experiment. I personally experimented with this, and the results were unexpected. For 30 days, every evening, I listened to 528 Hz music for 15 minutes. No multitasking, no phone, just headphones and stillness. And here's what happened to my body when I started this practice. The first thing I noticed, my breathing naturally slowed down. My heart rate dropped faster after stressful days. And interestingly, my sleep latency improved. I fell asleep faster. When I began using 528 Hz during deep work sessions, my heart rate variability, HRV, increased by about 15%. HRV is considered a gold standard marker of nervous system resilience. So it wasn't just that I felt calmer, my body was physically more resilient. Now, this doesn't mean 528 Hz is magic, and this is not medical advice. This is biological optimization. But something interesting may be happening. Your nervous system receives something it rarely gets anymore, a stable, rhythmic signal. And your brain loves rhythm, because rhythm means predictability, and predictability means safety. And remember, your body is about 70% water. Water carries vibration. Change the frequency entering your system, and you may influence the state of the water inside your cells. Actionable steps, low-hanging fruits. You don't need to become a monk to benefit from this, and you definitely don't need expensive biohacking equipment. Here are some simple, low-hanging fruits you can start today. 1. The 5-minute morning reset. Before checking your phone, play 528 Hz tones for just 5 minutes. You can find many free versions online. Let it create a harmonic baseline for your day. 2. Background optimization. Use 528 Hz or binaural beats as background sound while working. This helps mask industrial noise and may reduce the afternoon cortisol spike many people experience. 3. The evening sound bath. If you want to maximize deep sleep, listen to these frequencies 30 minutes before bed. This encourages your brain to shift from beta waves, alertness, into alpha and theta waves, which support relaxation and sleep. 4. The 10-minute nervous system reset. Once per day, preferably in the evening, play 528 Hz music and sit quietly for 10 minutes. No scrolling, no tasks, just breathing. Think of it as nervous system hygiene. 5. Pair it with slow breathing. Sound becomes even more powerful when paired with breath. Try this rhythm. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. This activates the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve controls heart rate, stress recovery, parasympathetic activation. Sound plus breath sends a strong signal to your brain. You are safe. Night noise replacement. Many people fall asleep while watching random content, TV, podcasts, social media videos. Your brain stays stimulated. Instead, play low-volume 528 Hz background sound during your wind-down routine. Dim the lights. Let your nervous system associate that sound with recovery mode. The vital habit. We worry a lot about what we put into our mouths, but we rarely think about what we put into our ears. Your cells are listening to everything. Here is the vital habit. Silence is good, but resonance can be medicine. In a world filled with artificial stimulation, your nervous system is starving for rhythm, and sometimes the most powerful biological intervention isn't a device. It's simply giving your biology what it evolved to recognize. Because the real secret of optimization is this: if you want to fix your energy, you must first fix your nervous system, and sometimes all it takes is the right frequency. Tune your environment and your body will tune itself. See you in the next video.